We still stay in the courts, but here in Accra, where 2 Chinese nationals accused of engaging in illegal mining have been rearrested following an order by an Accra High Court. This was after it emerged they were freed, although they failed to meet some bail conditions as spelled out by the court 2 weeks ago. The 2 were arrested together with the suspected Chinese Galamsey kingpin, popularly known as Aisha Huang. Joseph Akable was in court and now reports.
So proceedings started on a note of controversy. This came up when State Attorney handling the case, Mercy Arthur, informed the court that they were unable to comply with the directive asking that they amend their charge sheet if they so desired. She therefore pleaded for some more time. Justice Baden was unhappy with that particular development. The State Attorney once again informed the court that it had come to her attention that 2 of the accused persons had failed to meet the bail conditions, yet they were allowed to go home. She pointed out that the 2 had not submitted their passports to the court as directed. Now, the explanation coming from their lawyers was that the 2 individuals lost their passports when they were being apprehended by officers of the Ghana Immigration Service. The judge, unhappy about this development, decided to rescind the bail granted the 2 gentlemen, ordering their rearrest immediately. They were subsequently picked up by officers of the Ghana Immigration Service and expected to be taken to the Nsawam prison. They are required to provide the 2 passports, after which they will be granted bail. But hearing of the substantive matter continues on July 6. Reporting for Joy News, Joseph Akable.
Still in the court, however, the Judicial Press Corps has petitioned the Office of the Acting Chief Justice demanding an apology from the magistrate who sacked journalists from a courtroom during the trial of 2 men accused of murdering former Ibuakwa North MP J.B. Dankwa Edu on Thursday. Dean of the Press Corps, Wilberforce Asari, has been speaking to Joy News.
We filed a 9-point petition to the Acting Chief Justice. Essentially, what we sought to do in our petition was to let him know the incident that happened on the 15th of June, and also to express the fact that we are not satisfied and we are not happy about the decision of the judge in question not to allow journalists into her courtroom. The next thing we are seeking is that the Chief Justice, or for that matter, the Acting Chief Justice, will reprimand this particular judge and draw her attention to the fact that at all material times she's supposed to allow journalists into her court to cover any proceedings once she's hearing a case in open court. We also took the opportunity to reiterate our commitment to the fact that we are committed to obeying the rules that govern the coverage of court proceedings, and that we do not have any intentions of going against the laws and the bylaws. We also took the opportunity to assure the judicial service, and for that matter the authorities, that we are committed to covering and making sure that we bring to the people of Ghana all the details that proceed or emanate from our courts without fear or favor.